Hello all and welcome to KMT. In this video, we'll show you how to convert a PDF to a Word doc. We're on our desktop right now and I have a PDF on my desktop. I'll open it and show you what it looks like. It's a generic resume. I've made a small edit here. We'll keep this PDF open. Minimize it for now. Open up Word. Just drag this over here. And what we will do is simply take this PDF from our desktop and drag it over here. Now you will get a prompt from Microsoft Word saying that they will try their best to optimize the graphics and make it as editable as possible in Word document format. We'll go ahead and click OK. Here we have it. Sometimes it opens up in read-only mode. You can go ahead and hit View, Edit Document, and here you have successfully converted your PDF into a Word document.
Let us know if this video helped you out in the comment section below. And if you appreciated this video, please, we'd be grateful if you hit the like button. And if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to the channel.